Welcome back to another episode of Johnny's Kitchen. And in this very special episode, we're going to be making some mostly all Canadian protein pancakes because sometimes you got to feed that beast. The first pancake theory suggests that the first time you make something like pancakes, the results aren't supposed to be very good. It's kind of a trial run and you get better in future subsequent attempts. I've made pancakes I think about 3 times, and I made them for the first time about 3 months ago, and no, they weren't very good. I've been getting slightly better at them, but we're going to be testing that theory a little bit later today. I've also heard of the first pancake theory as it applies to dating, which suggests that the first person you date after a bad breakup or long relationship is a bit of a bad pancake as well. I know exactly what you're thinking, just how does one make mostly all Canadian protein pancakes? Well, you have come to the right place. I have all of the ingredients one will need. This is Quaker Protein Pancake Mix. Yes, Quaker is a Pepsi company. Unfortunately, I did purchase this before the orange presentator was elected down south, but it does say made with whole grain Canadian oats right on the package. And it also says PepsiCo Canada ULC Peterborough, Ontario. So we've got the mix. I'm also going to add some Canadian whole food premium whey. This is unflavored and unsweetened, just to pack a little more protein in there. Let me see, what else do we need? We'll need a cup, water, a skillet, a bowl, and a spatula. Well, I think I have some of those things. I have located a skillet and a cup. This is a quarter cup, but that will do. I'm gonna need a bowl. I think I'll have to use a cereal bowl. I do not have a spatula, but pretty sure we can just use a fork and maybe... Ooh, this thing's gross. I need to clean it. This might come in handy for mixing. I don't know. This is probably just going to make a big mess and splatter everything all over the place. Probably not a good idea, but anyways, let's get cracking. Although there's no eggs in pancakes. Prep. Preheat skillet over medium-high heat or electric griddle to 190 degrees Celsius. Skillet is ready when drops of water sizzle, then disappear almost immediately. Lightly grease the skillet or griddle. All right, so I need to turn this on. I think it said medium to high heat. Somewhere around there should do. And it said I need to grease it. I don't really have any butter or margarine, but I do have this product of Canada, excellent vegetable oil. So we're going to put a little bit of this on here. Again, I don't really know what the hell I'm doing, so this should be nice and toasty by the time I've finished making our pancake mix. Pour mix into mixing bowl, add water, stir with spatula until large lumps disappear. Batter will be thick. Let it stand 2 to 4 minutes. Do not over mix. All right, so let's get this fork out of here. It says you'll need 250 milliliters or 1 cup of the mix. Since this is 1/4 of a cup, we will... There's got to be a better way than this. Who designed this thing or thought of this? What a terrible fucking design. Let's just open up the top here. My sparkling clean kitchen is getting messy. We're just gonna scoop out. Do I really have to get 4 scoops of this stuff? Seems excessive. That's 3, I think. Yeah, it says one cup of the mix. Well, this last cup, I'm only going to do about 2/3, and we're going to top that off with some protein powder. Maybe I'll put a little bit more in there. It also says you can add milk to add protein, but that's fine. And side rant, who the hell came up with these Ziploc type things to close these bags up or to seal them up? I can almost never do it on the first attempt. They're so thin and so shitty and cheap. Come on, put some real Ziplocs on these things. All of my frozen fruit have them too, and I feel like I'm an idiot. Look, that one wasn't even closed properly. Like just standing here trying to like line them up. Who the hell can do that? So what I often end up doing, which is what I do with my other whole food, is I just put one of these big clips on them, because who the hell has all day to do up that cheap Ziploc system? All right, now it says I need 1/3 of a cup of water. Well, this is 1/4 of a cup, but looking at this, that seems like that's going to be way too thick. That should be about 1/3, more or less. Just put that there. All right, I'm supposed to use something else to stir this, but fork will do. Probably scratching the hell out of my nice bowl here. I don't know, that seems a little bit thick. Like, how am I going to just drop that down onto the pan and make nice shaped pancakes with it? This is where being a master chef comes in handy. I'm going to override these silly instructions and add a little bit of water to the fun. This should make things a little easier to work with. And if it's too runny, I can always just balance it out with some more pancake mix, I guess. There we go. That is a little bit more like how I think it should be. At least it'll be a little bit easier to work with. Skillet is ready when drops of water sizzle, then disappear. Let's find out if the skillet is ready. All right, on my fingertips here, I have a few drops of water. Let's see if they sizzle and disappear when I flick them down into the pan. We have a wiener. Pour slightly less than 50 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake onto the skillet. Cook for 90 seconds, turn and continue to cook for 90 seconds or until the second side is golden brown. So now this 1/4 cup, which I have, is finally going to come in handy. This is my only measuring cup. I think that's about right. So let's head on over to the skillet. And away we go, pancake number 1. Alexa, remind me, check the pancake in 60 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 1 minute. This is a reminder. Check the pancake.
Alexa, shut up. All right, I think it is time to flip this and see how we're doing so far. That's a good sign. Well, look at that, slightly overdone, but pretty good. Alexa, remind me, pancake in 40 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 40 seconds.
Now when that first masterpiece is done, I will put it on the plate here. And I will geniusly cover it with another plate like so to keep it warm. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it or not, but it's how I'm going to do it.
This is a reminder. Pancake.
Alexa, shut the hell up. All right. That looks edible. All right, let's make pancake number 2. A nice full scoop here. Oops. Solid camera work on that pour. Alexa, remind me, pancake in 45 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 45 seconds.
I'm doing 45 seconds because it seemed that first time it overcooked a little bit.
This is a reminder.
Alexa, shut up. All right, that's been 45 seconds. Let's see. It's actually closer to 60 or 70 seconds with all this extra jibber jabber talk. Ooh, that one is looking spicy. Alexa, remind me, pancake in 35 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 35 seconds.
And while this one's cooking, I'm going to get the next one ready to go.
This is a reminder.
Alexa, thank you.
Anytime.
Aw, she's so sweet. Alexa, shut the fuck up. All right. Smooth camera work there, but there it is. Now I realized I only have about 1.5 worth of these size pancakes on here. So what we're gonna do is just kind of do everything. I'm gonna make one gigantor pancake. Alexa, remind me, pancake in 45 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 45 seconds. This is a reminder.
Alexa, thank you.
You are so very welcome.
Alexa, when I say thank you, that means stop fucking notifying me.
I'm not sure what went wrong.
Alexa, stop. All right. This weirdo pancake is gonna get flipped. And that is the last one, the final pancake. Alexa, remind me,
What's the reminder for?
pancakes
When should I remind you?
in 25 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 25 seconds. This is a reminder. Pancake.
Alexa, shut up. And I forgot to keep these covered. So what was even the point? But our final pancake is ready to go home. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, lunch has been served, but we're gonna need some Canadian syrup to go on this. And do I ever have the best for you? I spared no expense purchasing Steve's Maples, original Canadian maple taste, 0-calorie, sugar-free syrup. It's got a Canadian flag on it. I bought this at the dollar store for like $2. I know it's not real maple syrup, but it's good enough for me. Should be good enough for you. But let's head over into the kitchen or into the living room and eat our protein-filled lunch. And please ignore what a mess my apartment is. Well, if I fill the shot up with pancakes, you won't have to see that. Pancakes down, syrup down. I also have a mango bubbly. Proudly bottled in Canada, eh? I think this is also another Pepsi product. Oh well, there we go. I'm gonna enjoy my protein pancake lunch. I've got a few videos I wanna go record and a live stream as soon as I'm done this. But I guess you wanna see what they're like inside. So let's pour some of this super high quality syrup onto these expertly crafted pancakes. Look at that. These are not bad, eh? And on that note, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Johnny's Kitchen. Here, I'll put it back onto the pancakes so you don't have to look at my face. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I don't need your tips or tricks or any pointers. I think I got this cooking thing down. It'll be on to bigger and better things for the next video, but like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Sign up for channel membership. You know the drill. Thanks for watching, guys. Yoink.